Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at NVDA? This is ticker NVDA. NVDA has been a bit of a rough trade since June, July of last year. Had a great run coming off of the tariff tantrum above the 200-day moving average, trended nicely, and then basically went sideways for months and months and months. I mean, this has been a real boring sideways grind with a lot of fake breakouts here. And then coming into 2026, NVIDIA broke under the 200-day moving average. And at some point, I think a lot of people were questioning, wait a sec, is this going to pull all the way back? There are some near-term gaps on NVIDIA around 119, 120, 123. And I think a lot of people thought, if the market really rolls over, NVIDIA has a chance to fill some of these gaps, so maybe I should just be out of the trade and wait for it to firm up. And it did quickly. I mean, it got back above the 200-day moving average within a couple of days, and now it's basing just above the 8-day exponential and under some pretty clear resistance from a lot of rejection in October of 2025. I mean, you can see it's not a lot of trading days, but there is a real opportunity here for NVIDIA to break above and close above 200, 210 on volume, and it rejected it sharply. And ever since then, it's just been, like I said, a sideways, boring grind. But now we have NVIDIA basing under that near-term resistance again, and I think it could be a trade if it can get above and stay above that level and do it on volume. And so I'm setting an alert here on NVIDIA at around 202.80. And I want to see a move through and a close above that level coming on big green volume. So I think that that's the new pivot here on NVIDIA. Keep an eye on 202.80 and see if you can get a trade out of it using the 8-day exponential period moving average as a way to define your risk. So that's one of many setups we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want more, click that link, take a trial, and I hope to see you on the other side.